Well, we got another package. Alright, let's go check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Hessen Antique. And let's get you out of the way. Just a heads up, we have actually ordered 15 items, I believe, but they reached out to me and told me that one of the items I had requested was no longer in stock, and it actually offered to me the next available size of item, which unfortunately was too small for me. So I told, they also gave me the option to drop the item from the order, which I did, and they promptly refunded me the amount. So that's why this box is actually smaller than I planned, but let's see if we can go ahead and open this. See if I find a good spot to cut the tape. Looks like right here. Let's see if I do something like this. I could be just being silly here, trying to preserve the logo. Let's go ahead and cut this. We have opened this from the bottom. I'll go ahead and reach in here and see if there's a manifest. There's a little cheat card here. So again, this is from Hessen Antique. Let's see how their logos start out. They're out of Marietta, Georgia. At least their mailing addresses. And it's marked on here that the item that I had ordered that was out of stock, they had crossed off. And that little manual touch there. And also, they also put a comment on there. So this was actually edited specifically for that. So that's how that works. Okay, so how are we gonna go through this? Let's start with patches. Ooh, nice. You can see how everything is all individually packed, etc. I've got here looks like a multicam NATO patch with hook fasteners. It's a khaki based. We also have, this one comes with backing, so you can actually sew the backing on to mount flush the patch. ISAF, NATO, overseas training patch. Likewise, we have the full color version, so for comparison. Very nice embroidery work on there. Likewise, we have the first version of the, it's actually listed just as ISAF patch 1, but I believe this is the, or maybe this is version, yeah, this is patch 1. This is, I believe, was issued with the first set of the West German or German forces that went overseas to that theater. And this one is actually listed as ISAF patch Velcro backing. So you can see it's one of the green. This is the round version. and replace the square version. So, just so you know, acquired but not earned, just to be fair. These are just for collectibles only. We got here 4 of the German G3 rifle plastic muzzle covers. I believe these are supposed to be interchangeable with other similar diameter muzzles. So closed on one end. Maybe actually some markings on here. I do believe that is readable. I have a magnifying glass, not prepared to read this really small print. Or is it, am I just imagining? Let's see if I can find one that's more clearly marked. Nothing on this one. Nothing on that one. You can see there's variations in the molds. This one's really flat, so this one might be just, I might be just reading too much into that mark. I have to actually see later on. There's a magnifying glass, but no, it might be just press marks as opposed to actual letters. But these will take some cleaning up. Set those aside right now. And we'll put these patches back together here. Okay, so let's look at the next bag. I have a 2-page list here, so I'm trying to flip through here. This is the helmet cover. So this would be the, this is on page 2, French F1 Camo Helmet Cover. We get another one of these. Brown on one side, green on the other, so depending on the type of foliage you're in, you can lay it. I believe it's infrared resistant as well. Right back in the bag it came in. And we have one more bag. Got more stuff out here. Go to page 2 again, so I don't have to refer back to it. I want the Bundeswehr reversible Flecktarn helmet cover used, which should be this one. So you can see how we have kind of the Troppentarn or possibly Wustentarn version on the inside, as well as the normal foliage Flecktarn on the outside, drawstrings, a slight ear pattern right there, front, and the rear again. Looking on the tops really, flat top, and some loop points, stuff on. Okay, so let's go down the rest of the list on here. I believe this will be the Swiss M71 Camo Helmet Cover. This will help go with some of my Alpenflage pieces. Coordinate there. Again, we have a little bit of dip right there by the ear area. Here's our front right there. The other ear area. There's the back of the drawstring again. Just look at the top. We do have a seam across the top. Sure. Okay, so this is how it goes. No loops for anything on the top. Double seam left and right. We do have those normal loops around the brim, above the brim area. As well as, okay, yeah, reinforced drawstring area here. Looks like there used to be something here on this Flecktarn I just noticed. Looks like there was some sort of IR sewn on. It has been taking some wear. It's a nice little customization on the Flectarn one, just noticed. Next one here is a Swiss M18 Splinter, in quotes, camo helmet cover used. So you can see it has some of the, looks like horizontal striping, as well as a almost, looks on camera more pinkish brown, but it's actually fairly brown looking. As I look at it here, I think it's just trick of the light. That's a little bit better looking right there. Inside, a little bit of orangeness in the background. It's very interesting. Like a rainbowy effect. Very interesting. I think it's meant to be reversible. I guess it could possibly be. Very odd though. Okay, so right here would be the very front. Seam-wise, nope, correction. This is the front. That'll line up on the drawstring. Okay, so it does have a double seam going across the top. No loops on the top, and loops around above the brim area. You have very slight dip for the ear area, and then we have a drawstring right at the head. And last, we have a Bundeswehr helmet cover tropical. This one has a tag, paper tag. Don't know if it's on the store or issue. Feels new. So, drawstring back. This would be the front. We do have loops going across the top, and does not appear to be reversible. So this is a dedicated turpentine. So again, this is all from Hessen Antique. Working backwards. Bundeswehr helmet cover tropical. Swiss M18 Splinter camo helmet cover, Swiss M71 camo helmet cover. We got the Flectarn reversible helmet cover, Bundeswehr use. Got the French F1 helmet cover, camo, green, brown. Got a whole slew of patches, and we got 4 of these muzzle covers. So these all came from Hessen Antique. Feel free to check out their website. Got lots of stuff on there from different areas of the planet. And feel free to check out other unboxing videos in the playlist, as well as other videos in our other playlists of show and tell, Curious for the Curious, as well as we're starting a book review media series. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.